Okay, so here it is, the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. I have been waiting for this for so long, and it finally came in. This is a beauty. It's so lightweight. Off the bat, I love the way it feels. The buttons look like they're in the right places. I mean, this baby looks freaking amazing. But it's a shame that I had to say that this camera has given me the worst impression ever. Let me tell you why. So after I unboxed this, I went out and I shot it outside. I went to the living room just to grab some sample footage so that way I can throw it in DaVinci, because I hear that this is the poor man's RED camera. And for me, that's exciting because with RED footage, you can always, when you record, you throw it in like DaVinci, and what you can do is you can change the ISO from what you recorded on, change the white balance, and change the video codec or the video mode that you were recording in, or the profile. I was really excited that I can actually, play with that in here. Shoot in Blackmagic Raw, constant bit rate at 8.1, and really just go at it with the grading. After like my 4th scene that I shot, I hit record for the 5th time, and all of a sudden the camera just stopped, the LCD shut off, and the fan started blowing like crazy. The battery indicator light on the next to the on and off switch was a constant red. I turned it off, it didn't turn off, it stayed red, and the fan kept blowing. And the only way I can stop this from the fan blowing was to take out the battery. Put the battery back in, same thing. And I was like, please let there be a way to resolve this right now, because the last thing I want to do is get an RMA, ship this back to Blackmagic so that way they can send me another one, but there's a huge wait list for that as well. And it's a shame because I was so excited to get this going and test drive it and use it for one of my shoots this weekend, and I cannot do that. What I'm gonna do is either return it, or try to get another one, or ship it back to Blackmagic and get a replacement. But regardless, I'm still gonna have to wait again. So for a video for first impressions, that's supposed to be like, oh, can't wait to do it. It's just the worst first impression videos I've ever done. So anyways, I'm gonna have to wait a few more weeks to get another one, and then continue making a video showcasing the footage and just what I can do with this, especially against my other cameras. So this is gonna be a wait game for me. Highly disappointed, but I mean, what can I do, right? Just ship it back, get another one. So hopefully that one doesn't come bricked, which I doubt it will. And again, I'm not giving up on Blackmagic because I love their cameras. Again, I love their image that they have, and I love how seamless it is with their DaVinci Resolve program. I'm waiting for the new camera to come in so that way I can do my complete review and comparison and just do a whole crap load of videos about this camera and the capabilities that it can do. Besides that, my friends, hope you guys like this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.